What if I told you you could unlock even greater muscle growth and make significantly more progress in the gym by doing less than you are currently doing? It may sound counterintuitive, but being efficient and cutting down your training can bring even more results. It's easy to believe that more workouts, heavier weights, and longer training sessions will bring better results. However, this approach can hinder your muscle growth and slow down your progress. When you overtrain, it exhausts your muscles, preventing them from recovering properly and then building back bigger and stronger. Your workout shouldn't be too crazy and excessively long. I used to spend like 2 hours in the gym every session lifting heavy, but looking back, most of the time it just left me shattered for days after the workout. You should really be doing around 2 to 3 exercises per muscle group. There is no point doing like 4 or 5 different variations of tricep exercises. Training this excessively will leave you fatigued and may even stunt your muscle growth. When it comes to training to failure, while it can be very beneficial for muscle growth and strength gains, it's important to approach it with caution. Instead of pushing yourself to failure on every single set and every exercise, try working a couple of reps below failure, or incorporating failure training to 1 set per exercise. This controlled approach will help you stimulate your muscles without pushing them to the brink of exhaustion too frequently. Less can also be more when it comes to the amount of weight you lift. Despite what many of us assume, using lighter weights can actually bring impressive muscle growth progress. By focusing on slower reps, particularly during the eccentric part of lifts, you can effectively engage your muscles and enhance their growth potential. This is because it increases your muscles' time under tension, which stimulates greater muscle fiber recruitment and metabolic stress. It also enhances muscle fiber activation. This is because it improves your mind-muscle connection, allowing you to focus on engaging and activating the targeted muscle group more effectively, and ultimately more muscle growth. Spend no longer than 45 to 90 minutes in your sessions, and give yourself more rest between sets. Also, you don't have to hit the gym every single day for muscle growth. Going 3 or 4 times a week with a training split like push-pull legs is sufficient for building muscle and allows your muscles to recover and grow between sessions. Now, this is all well and good for muscle growth, but it is getting into the summer months and many of us have the goal to cut down and reveal our muscle. We'll check out this video to see how you can do that without incredibly changing your diet.